I grew up in a little sugar plantation town on the island of Hawaii in the town of Hilo. And so I'm sitting in this class full of rich kids and I'm going, ¿Qué pasa? When are we going to learn about money? And the teacher was kind of like church lady, she goes, the love of money is the root of all evil. And I said, well, it may be evil to you, but I'd like to have some. So I go home to my poor dad and I said, hey, Dad, why don't we learn about money at school? He says, I can only teach what the government allows me to teach, and the government does not allow me to teach the subject of money.
Have you ever wondered why some people end up super rich while others have a hard time making enough money to get by? Do you ever find yourself wondering if there's some secret formula to getting rich that you might be missing out on? Today, we'll be uncovering the 7 things that rich people do that the poor don't, so that you too can build the life of your dreams. 1. The rich set clear goals. There are only about 3% of people in the world who have clear goals. Is it any wonder that so few people are successful? Earl Nightingale said, "People who make plans work out because they know where they're going." It makes sense that if you know where you're going, you'll probably get there faster. Studies have shown that the most important thing you can do to be successful is to set clear goals for yourself. You can do this by following a simple formula. First, write down your goals in as much detail as you can. If your goal is related to money, get clear on exactly how much you want. If your goal is related to a relationship, describe the qualities of the relationship you desire to be in. Many people earn about the same amount of money each year, and they attract the same type of relationships by default. This is because we often manifest things based on the self-image, self-beliefs, and self-awareness we have at the moment. To change the results we get in life, it's usually more about changing who we are and what we believe on the inside, rather than trying to manipulate things on the outside. Second, put the goals you wrote down in a place you can see every day. This could be on the wall, on your refrigerator, or even on an index card that you carry with you wherever you go. If you choose the index card method, don't put it inside your wallet where you'll forget about it. Instead, keep it separate in your pocket. That way, you'll constantly remind yourself of your goals every time you touch and see it. Third, envision yourself as having already accomplished your goal and practice generating the positive emotions that go along with it. Do this each morning as you wake up and each night before you go to bed. Those are the 2 best times of the day when your subconscious mind is most susceptible to recording events and making memories. So practice flooding your mind with these new images and positive emotions. As you visualize, see yourself as the type of person you have become in order to make your new life happen. Nearly all big goals require a change in your own self-image. If there's one thing you get from this video, let it be this. The life you're living right now is the result of your previous thoughts, behaviors, and actions. Poor thoughts lead to poor actions and results. Average thoughts lead to average actions and results, and prosperous thoughts lead to prosperous actions and results. If you focus on becoming the type of person who already has what you want, you'll naturally start doing the things that will lead to the life you desire. 2. The rich are consistent. Imagine building a snowball from scratch. One roll isn't impressive, but with consistent effort, it grows bigger and bigger and faster. Wealth building works in a similar way. Small, consistent actions like saving, investing, and managing your finances will snowball over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. The earlier and more consistently you do this, the greater the snowball effect will be. Building wealth isn't a one-time sprint, it's a marathon. Consistency helps you ingrain healthy financial habits like budgeting, spending wisely, and seeking out income-generating opportunities. In time, this will become second nature, requiring less willpower and allowing you to make steady progress on autopilot. It's also much easier to stay motivated once you see early results, so the best time to begin is today. 3. The rich believe in the law of compensation. At its core, the law of compensation suggests that you receive in relation to what you give or create. It's not about magic tricks or instant gratification, but about aligning your energy, actions, and values with what you truly desire. Think of it like a cosmic bank account. Every positive contribution you make, every ounce of effort you pour into self-improvement, every act of kindness and generosity. These are all deposits made into your cosmic balance. Rich people believe that they should be paid based on the value they create in the marketplace. That is, if they play a big role in making a product that almost everyone in the world wants or needs, then they should be paid in a big way. This is because we live in a results-driven world, and rich people know that productivity and value matter. The poor and middle class usually believe that they should be paid based on how long or how hard they work, independent of the value created or the number of people they serve. That's a big difference. So if you desire to become rich, a change of perspective is vitally important. Here's a simple way to think about this. If you create a product that costs $100 and you sell it to 10 people, you will earn $1,000. But if you take that same $100 product and sell it to 1,000 people, you will earn $100,000. That's a remarkable difference, and it's in alignment with the law too, since you will have served many more people. 4. The rich are avid readers. Rich people believe in the saying, the more you learn, the more you can earn. Warren Buffett, who is thought to be the best investor in the world, was once asked what makes people successful. As his answer, he pointed to his stack of books and said, "Read 500 pages like this every day. This is how knowledge grows. It's like interest payments that keep adding up. Everyone can do it, but not everyone will. However, self-development is very instrumental in becoming rich and successful." Warren Buffett isn't the only one who really loves reading. Mark Cuban, owner of the Dallas Mavericks, reads for a few hours every day. Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla, says he learned how to build rockets by reading textbooks. Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, reads 50 books a year, which is almost one book a week. There are so many helpful resources available to improve every aspect of your life, so open your mind to them and see where they will lead you. To give you a time-saving tip, you can also consider audiobooks, which you can listen to while doing something else, like exercising or driving. That way, you can increase your knowledge even if your schedule is busy. 5. The rich associate with positive, successful people. It is believed that you are the average of the 5 individuals you spend the most time with. This is why the rich associate with others who share similar values, goals, and mindsets. By hanging out with successful people, you have a better chance of improving your life because you'll be exposed to things you likely aren't already doing. The networks wealthy individuals possess can be invaluable. Through them, you might gain access to potential investors, influential figures in your field, or even future clients or collaborators. Remember, networking isn't just about transactional exchanges. Build genuine connections, offer value where you can, and nurture these relationships over time. You never know when a seemingly casual connection might blossom into a life-changing opportunity. The really cool part about this is that starting a connection with one successful person can lead you to meeting many others, and they're usually more open to helping you than you might think. 6. The rich promote themselves and their values. Most rich people possess a skill or way of thinking that helped them become wealthy. And you know what? They're never afraid to promote their skills or the skills of others in their networks. This is why you often hear them say things like, "Let's grab lunch and I'll walk you through my new approach," or "You should speak with my tax accountant. He's the best." When you've spent time developing your skill set, it gives you a greater sense of self-worth and confidence. Therefore, you'll be more inclined to offer your abilities to help others, and that can lead to more exposure in the marketplace. As you gain more visibility, you'll be pleasantly surprised by the new opportunities that present themselves to you. All the opportunities you need to win already exist. It's just a matter of looking for them and meeting others who can help correct your path. 7. The rich see their problems as opportunity. Life throws us curveballs all the time. Some of them are easy to handle, while others leave us scrambling for shelter. But what if, amidst the chaotic storms of life, there was a hidden opportunity? What if problems and roadblocks held the keys to unlocking doors we never knew existed? That's the power of the opportunity mindset. It's not about sugarcoating our challenges or pretending they don't exist. Rather, it's about shifting your perspective. Instead of seeing obstacles as walls, see them as stepping stones. Instead of lamenting the detours, view them as scenic routes leading to unexpected new heights. As a tip, Learn to reframe your narrative and ask positively charged questions like, "What can I learn from this?" Or, "What could I avoid next time to reach a better outcome?" In the end, whether you're just starting your financial journey or you're already doing well and looking to move to the next level, adopting these habits can have a dramatic impact on your success. Building wealth is a journey, so keep the momentum going as you learn from the setbacks and the wins. As you plot your course, you'll also want to make sure you adopt the 5 habits that will prevent you from falling into debt in this next video. That way, you can hold on to your money longer and grow it over time. See you there.